Okay, so we're gonna start with wireless networking. Huh. Okay, so what can we understand for wireless networking? Well, basically everything that doesn't have wires. Yeah, you're like big genius. Well, everything that has to do with satellites and so on, cellular systems, PC systems. When you have your laptop and so on, this is like a wireless device. But when you plug your Ethernet, it's no longer things the radio spread spectrum technologies. So with this, if you have like this old-fashioned radio stuff back in your dorm, and you want this, I don't know, you want that station, you should like I don't know, move the knob so you can have it, and free space optical communication. Okay, so this is like the first like slide for everything. Well, why is this kind of thing nice for us? The advantages. Well, basically, we can be like almost at any location because I don't know. Think of you being at home, and you don't need to be by force in your room. You can be I don't know in the living room. You can be at the garden. You can be anywhere near, but it's anywhere near your modem. Okay, so that makes us happy. We're not attached to cable. Okay. Um, Mobility. Let's say we have our cell phones and we are like, I don't know, vendors of med devices and we need to access somewhere. We can have our cell phone and that cell phone, we're gonna have everything we need, all the apps and so on. And just by connecting to a network, we just can do anything, okay? It doesn't matter where in the world I am. I'm gonna have access to pretty much everything I own. And well, productivity. Well, I don't need to be exactly at some place to be productive. I can work at home. I can do this concept called home office. It started by there, and well, I can be at any location and still be as productive as hell because I don't need to be in an office, which make me sad. Okay, remember, being in an office is not the best thing in the world. Okay, so this is cool. What is sad is that well, you need a lot of stuff. Okay, Uh, well, um, well, this thing is cool too because you can have only one repeater, well, signal repeater, and well, many people can be connected to this same network over here. And whereas if you had, I don't know, wired network, you would have to have all the infrastructure from this point. You should have a wire to here, and to here to make all these people happy. Thing is, it may be like very expensive, and imagine having I don't know a 10-meter cable for you to wire someone. That wouldn't be like nice. Okay, but another thing that it's very cool is expandability. Pretty much there are like happy people here, and if there are like more people that arrive, they'll be still very happy because they just needed to connect their wireless adapter to this network. And in the case of all the people that work in the wire thing, they would be very sad because they wouldn't be able to check Facebook back in the office. Okay, and this is not cool. Costs. Well, think of it in the terms of cost. Buying all this wire will be very expensive, and this will make us like very affordable in the long term. Whereas this part, the most well, at most you need an repeat signal repeater to just like be to expand your network. Okay. Now disadvantages. Well, whenever you have security issues, that means you have like very valuable information that shouldn't be like accessible to everyone. Well, if you have just a wire network, you need to plug your computer into the main server or into the network for you to be able to hack it. Okay? Whereas in the Wi Fi network, you just need a computer that's close enough or in range to this network so you can hack anything. Okay? Another thing that's not cool is that if you have your modem here, the biggest distance you can be from it is 10 meters. Okay? And I'm talking about the commercial modems that are available. For everyone else, you can buy like some super modems that are like ultra strong, and you can get like a super distance of 20 meters. That actually is not that cool anymore. And well, reliability. Well, there are like a bunch of stuff that can make like this Wi-Fi thing like fail. Maybe if you have like a bunch of, I don't know, big walls that are full of plumber or whatever things, lead, and you don't like it, we don't like that. Okay, those things cause interference, and the speeds vary like a lot. Okay, if you're close to the modem, it's gonna be like very high. But if you're like very far, you may be like susceptible to be disconnected or finding some other problems.